Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We film a lot of skateboarding tutorials on this channel, but we don't talk a whole lot about the cameras that we use to film those skateboarding tutorials. So we thought it'd be fun to go ahead and do some reviews of some different cameras that we use. So today we're gonna find out, is $80 really worth the GoPro Media Mod? Does it really make a difference? Let's check it out. I see a lot of different travel vloggers use GoPros, but it's an action sports camera. And honestly, I don't see a whole lot of professional action sports athletes using GoPros. One of the things I've noticed about some of the older models is that the audio is just not great at all. The Media Mod, however, already has a brand new mic put in right here. All you have to do is plug the GoPro in. You don't need anything external, and it's supposed to make the audio so much better. The GoPro Media Mod is pretty easy to put on the GoPro. So we have the GoPro Hero 9. All you have to do is take this little guy off. There's a little latch right here. All you do is pop that off and you'll see that it comes off. And you'll see right here the adapter that needs to come into the Media Mod. So on the Media Mod, all you have to do is go to the bottom. You'll see this little lever, pull back on it, and you'll see this extends open. From here, you'll already see the little plug-in. So you'll grab your GoPro, see the plug-in right here. Boom, and you're ready to go. To see if the GoPro Media Mod really makes a difference, we're gonna film 10 different clips, and we're gonna do them with the Media Mod on and with the Media Mod off. They're gonna be as close to as similar as we can get them, and you will be able to decide which one you think sounds better. And all the clips that we're gonna be filming are things that you as a skateboarder use, that you would notice, that you would listen to, because for us, we wanna make sure the GoPro Media Mod is the perfect thing for skateboarders to use. This is me vlogging, walking to the mini ramp in our backyard without the GoPro Media Mod on. You can hear some birds, you can hear some nature sounds as I walk to the ramp. This is me walking to the backyard mini ramp with the GoPro Media Mod on. We've still got some birds chirping, you can hear some nature, and this is me vlogging and walking towards the mini ramp. So I don't know about you guys, but for me, I fully believe the GoPro Media Mod is worth it. Comment down below what you think, if you could tell the difference between those two different clips. We tried to make them as similar as possible, but like I said, one of the things about the older GoPros is the audio was so stinking muddy. And so it was hard to hear anything that was going on. If you captured a really, really cool skateboarding clip, it didn't sound super great at all, and it almost felt like toy-ish. Like it didn't have a cinematic feel or an action sports feel. It just sounded and looked really unprofessional. The only piece of feedback I have for the GoPro Media Mod is that every time you want to change a battery in your GoPro, you actually have to take the GoPro off of the Media Mod and then take the battery out. And when I'm out filming, we're in the middle of a session, the last thing I want to do is have to take the time to undo the Media Mod, to undo this little latch right here, take it out, put a new battery in, put it back in, log it up, I want it just to be ready to go. That's the whole point of the GoPro. It's small, it's simple, and it's easy. If you wanna know any of the other camera equipment we use, it's down below. There's a link in the bio. You can check out any of the stuff we use, see how much it costs. If you like this video, make sure to comment down below, and to actually like this video, it does make a difference. We have some other GoPro reviews, camera reviews that we can do, so let us know if that's something you wanna see regularly. Subscribe to this channel if you wanna see more videos just like this one, or be a part of different giveaways that we are doing. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you in the next video, and as always, thanks for hanging. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for all things faith, family, and skateboarding. We will see you guys in the next video, and as always,
thanks for hanging.